In front of me is the OPPO F15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app, which is this one, and then choose Alarm at the bottom left corner. Once you're done, use this plus icon at the bottom in the middle to create a new one. Now, begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then choose one of those repeat options, ring once, weekdays, which is cool because you can adjust each one to your needs, like that, or scramble. This one is a bit more complicated, but fortunately you have all of the instructions here. My favorite one though is simply custom, because here you can tap on days of the week you wanna set up. Wherever you decided, when you're done with repeat option, tap on alarm name if you wish to label it, and then select ringtone. Hit allow. Tap on one of those options to pick one of the default ringtones. Spotify, you can log in and use music from it. Weather, which is weather adaptive, so your ringtone will change depending on the weather. Or on this device to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up by simply clicking on it. Now use this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or turn it on. And hit snooze to disable or enable it, and if you decided you do want to use it, decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, go back and tap on done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick the best option for you from the pop-up. If you want to make any changes, click on it, make them, and hit done. To delete your alarm, just hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!